Hello, my dear students of class 12th. Today, we will study the first lesson of your book, Flamingo. And the title of the lesson is The Last Lesson. Why the title of this lesson is Last Lesson? Because it was the last lesson of teaching of French language in Alsace district. Actually, what happened to Alsace? There was a war between France and Prussia during 1870 to 71, in which France lost its two provinces. They are Alsace and Lorraine. And the German orders came from Berlin. Berlin is the capital of Germany. And orders from Berlin came that in two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, now onwards, no French language will be taught. That's why this is the last lesson of French language in France. This lesson has been written by a French writer. He also writes story writings and fiction writings. His name is Alphonse Daudet. He has very beautifully written this lesson. This lesson goes around two characters. One is the French teacher, whose name is Mr. M. Hamel, and one of his student, whose name is Franz. So when M. Hamel was teaching his last lesson in the school, everything was cool, quiet, and no noise was there in the school. Even villagers also came in the school, and they sat on the back benches of the class in which Mr. M. Hamel was teaching. They have come here to pay their respect to the outgoing teacher of France language. On that day, Franz also came late. When he was coming, a blacksmith met him and he told that now onwards, no French language will be taught in Alsace district because an order from Berlin has come that only German language will be taught in the two districts of France. Franz did not believe on his remarks. He came in the school, he found unusual environment in the school. There was no noise, there was no hustle and bustle in the school. He went into his classroom. There was complete peace and tranquility in the classroom. He sat on his bench. He saw that some elders, some villagers were sitting on the back benches of the classroom. And Mr. M. Hamel was trying his best to teach as good as he could. He was using his complete resources to give the maximum knowledge of the French language to his students and to the people of that village. On that day, Franz was scared that he has not completed his homework. He was not prepared for the grammar lesson participles. He has not learned that lesson, and he thought he would be scolded by his teacher. But his teacher didn't ask anything about the use of participles. He was just teaching and teaching as much he could French language on that day. He was teaching his best, and the students and the villagers, they were also trying their best to learn the French language. M. Hamel was repenting that he has not taught sincerely to the students. And students were also repenting that they have not sincerely learnt French language. And on this particular day, both of them wanted that they should put their best efforts. French even thought in his mind that it is not possible to take away one's language from a person as it is natural to each being. May it be the coo, for to the pigeons, or French to the Frenchman. फ्रांज ने सोचा कि ये हमारी भाषा हमसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता। क्या हम पिजन्स से उनकी कू कू करने की आवाज को छीन सकते हैं? वी कैनॉट स्नैच। तो फ्रांज ने सोचा कि ऐसी बात नहीं है कि फ्रांच भाषा हमसे ये लोग छीन लेंगे, फोर्सफुली हमें जर्मन भाषा पढ़ा देंगे। नथिंग लाइक दैट। फ्रेंच विजुअलाइज्ड इन हिज माइंड। जिसकी जो भाषा है उसी भाषा में वो परफेक्शन हासिल कर सकता है। सो लैंग्वेज इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ। इवन the citizens of the France and even the teacher M. Hamel also said that French is the most beautiful, most logic and most easiest language of the world, क्योंकि अपनी अपनी भाषा सबको अच्छी लगती है। एंड लास्ट में बोर्ड के ऊपर जो उनका फ्रेंच टीचर मिस्टर एम हेमेल ने फ्रांस भाषा में एक फ्रेज लिखा, एक सेंटेंस लिखा, वाइवे ला फ्रांस, VIVE, वाइवे ला फ्रांस। मोटे मोटे अक्षरों में जितना वो मोटा लिख सकता था उसने लिखा। वाइवे ला फ्रांस मीन्स May France live long. So this is the end of the lesson, the last lesson written by an French writer, Alphonse Daudet. I think now there is no doubt in your mind about this lesson. My dear students, if you have liked my lesson, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. I will be with you with a new lesson shortly. Thanks a lot.